What's going on, lazy bushcrafting fans? It's myself, Owen. We're gonna do a year 2 review on the Purple Mattress Point 2. This is the firmest of all the Purple mattresses. Not sponsored. So like I said, this is the Point 2 firmest of all mattresses. As you can tell, the craftsmanship is pretty good. Now, I haven't seen a single stitching or any type of issue in terms of, you know, how they put the mattress together. My only concern is that where my butt sleeps, it's already indented. It's been indented after like a few days, as a matter of fact. So I don't know if it's the polymer, but the rest of the bed's fine, like my back, my shoulders, whatever, except for my butt. In my butt area, I don't know if it's because I have a big butt or something like that, it's indented. As you can tell in the corner right here, it's also indented. It comes from the factory just like that. I think it's from the way they roll it up and the way they deliver it. Since it sits in the factories for so long, you know, it's just gonna warp. That's just the way the polymer works. I can't say how everybody else will feel, but for me, I'm not really impressed with this bed. If you're a back sleeper or side sleeper, it could work for you, but it's not perfect. You should really try this out a few times before you wanna buy it. Anyways, guys, I say if you're gonna pay $1,600, it's a no-go. So don't get this.